Ibotta does not pay every user the same weekly amount, because earnings depend on the offers available, the purchases you make, and how consistently you use the app. A realistic Ibotta review comes down to one question. Does the time you spend finding offers and completing tasks create enough value for your shopping routine? Ibotta works by giving users opportunities to earn rewards through qualifying purchases. The amount you earn can change from week to week, because available offers, shopping habits, and product choices are different for every person. The first thing to check is how Ibotta fits into your normal shopping process. If you already buy products that match available offers, the app can be easier to use because you are combining rewards with purchases you plan to make anyway. The second thing to track is your actual effort. Write down the time you spend checking offers, planning purchases, and submitting receipts. Then compare that effort with the rewards you receive. This gives you a clearer picture than looking at someone else's results. The thing to consider is consistency. Users who check the app regularly may find more opportunities than users who only open it occasionally. Your results depend on how often you use the app, and whether the available offers match your shopping needs. A weekly earnings review should also include the overall experience. Look at whether the app is easy to navigate, whether finding useful offers feels simple, and whether the process fits into your routine. Ibotta is designed as a rewards tool, not a replacement for regular income. The value comes from reducing the cost of purchases you were already planning to make rather than treating it like a traditional earning method. The biggest advantage is that it can work alongside normal shopping habits. The biggest limitation is that rewards depend on available offers and your personal buying decisions. If you want to test Ibotta for yourself, set a simple tracking system from the first week. Record the offers you use, the purchases you complete, and the rewards you receive. That will show whether the app is worth your time. The main points are simple. Ibotta earnings vary between users, your shopping habits affect your results, and tracking your own experience gives you the most accurate answer. Your next step is to use the app consistently for a short period and review your own results. If this helped you understand how Ibotta weekly earnings work, like the video and subscribe for more practical app reviews.